Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook or to stop automatic sharing. Follow the steps. Go ahead and access your Instagram application on your device. Log into your specific account. After that, click on your profile picture icon to go to your profile page. Click on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activity section. Now access your account center from the top. Then after tap on connected experiences, which is below the password and security option. From the page that appears, you need to tap on sharing across profiles under content section. Now choose either your Instagram or your Facebook account. As I'm sharing my content on Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and select the Facebook account, or you can do any one you prefer. Now click on Reset Settings option. Select your account, click on Reset Settings, turn off all sharing toggles to stop automatic cross-posting of your post, stories, and reels between the two accounts. And your Instagram and Facebook accounts are now disconnected or automatic sharing has been turned off. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.